Hello.
Hey guys.
I cleaned the house this morning and was doing dishes, and guess what happened?
A little excitement around here. So
Just
here
a
we
little.
go. Okay, we'll see what's going on here. The smoke alarms are going off. Gotta go check it out, see what's going on.
Not gonna happen. I'm going down the basement. I can't use the elevator.
I'm gonna go down the road. Not
Oh,
good.
okay.
Okay. Don't smell like smoke.
Elevator's not working.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just going down there. Just gotta go down and see if anybody's around. I seen Eddie was coming over, so the maintenance guy was coming over, so I'll
So
see
I
if.
gotta help this woman down the stairs.
Oh, yeah. Hang on just a second. Okay. I don't know what's going on yet. We'll see what's happening. Find out what's happening here. I don't know if the elevator's going to work. I don't think the elevator will work. I don't know how they're going to do this, but we got some going down the staircase. No. Everybody's trying to get out of here, going down the staircases. Elevator's not working. So we'll see how this works. I bet this is a false alarm too.
I'm sure it is.
Sure it is, yep.
You gotta get everybody down.
Yep. I don't know how we're gonna do this. There's people in wheelchairs.
I know. I don't know how she's gonna get down. We're gonna.
I think
Can she get up and walk at all?
I don't know if the fireplace is, or the fire department's here yet.
I don't know. Can she get up and walk at all?
I can't go downstairs.
Okay.
Is there a real fire?
I kind of doubt it, but
Here they come. Okay.
yeah.
Let's have it.
Yes,
Well,
no kidding.
may as well wait it.
I see
Yeah, because
the,
you never know.
I see the fire
they
department's
just-
coming now,
There's
so,
a fire truck just went by.
yeah, yep, so,
It might be a false alarm. Let's hope so. You
Yeah.
okay?
Was there
Yeah.
any smoke anywhere?
no, I haven't smelled any smoke or anything, so
No, that's what
I'm
was.
thinking it's probably a false alarm,
I
but
mean,
I,
yes.
Probably
But you never
practice.
know. You know, that's
no,
the
you
thing.
don't,
You gotta
that's the
try
whole
to.
thing,
It's probably a practice run.
yeah.
Yeah. So.
Well, they need
So
to
we
think
need
about
to
this wheelchair on the third floor.
Yeah.
We need to.
They
figure-
almost need ramps or something
They
in
need to
these
figure out
staircases, yep,
something for those
yeah.
that can't make it down. You know, down here.
I'm gonna,
I'm sorry.
I said they need to figure something out for someone like you that can't, you know, that's in a wheelchair and can't get downstairs.
You know, I told them before I moved here, why they put me clear up here or anybody else.
yeah.
Yeah.
You hold the doorbell, I'm
Yeah.
gonna see if I can
Check
find,
it out and
yeah,
see
see
if-
if I find out anything.
Oh, I think
Okay, we don't have the fire department's here. Gonna go see what's going on here.
I think you're okay right here. It's cold outside, so if you'll hit that right there for us.
Hi.
Hello. We're just coming to make sure there's no problems.
Yeah, that's what we're wondering here. Got people in wheelchairs up there. We're going to have to get them down.
You don't have to go too far quite yet.
Good.
Sure.
Okay, I gotta go report in here. Okay, the fire department's here. They just went to the second floor. They don't have to get too crazy yet. They don't assume it's a false alarm, but so they'll let us know.
Oh, they're on
But,
the second floor?
Yeah.
Checking it out?
Yep, so.
They're on, the fire department is on the second floor, and they're checking it out to see if there's, you got the door, Jake?
Yeah. Yep.
The fire department is
Yeah,
on the
this is
second
crazy.
floor, and they're
They need to
checking it
do
out to
something.
make sure that
What if there
there's
was?
There's a
That
lot of
there's
people
not a
that
fire.
have burned it.
Yeah.
nothing. So we just need to sit still here now.
Wheelchair people
Yeah.
up here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Appreciate you too. Thank you so much.
And they need to do the moving.
This is kind of
Not the
scary.
wheelchair people.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this young man was willing to help
to
me,
be-
but I couldn't get
they're
out of my
basically
apartment
trapped
by
on the third
myself.
floor.
Oh,
Trapped.
you
Really
live up
second
here?
too.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
your son?
Both of them.
Yeah, well, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try to have it, everyone
Your
tries to help
son?
everybody.
Oh, that's why I recognize you. You look so familiar. Now, don't you cry.
No, it's good. I'm sure it's a false alarm.
Yep.
Yep.
He did die.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I think they're coming up here now, so they'll let us know, I guess.
Gave you a little bit of warning.
So you are doing it Sunday?
Is that the insurance company?
So your son's birthday.
And yeah, I'm glad my son is good.
Well, you know what? You just cry and cry and cry.
I've done.
Did you live here in Logan?
Idaho Falls.
Idaho Falls.
We just came up. Just say goodbye to everybody. We didn't know if they could make it through the surgery room.
Oh.
It was non-invasive, so it wasn't supposed to be bad. And then he had a stroke and then a seizure. And then he was
The laces.
Yeah, I thought I was having a bad dream. I was like,
Yeah.
Yeah, there's just some tsunami warning before. So that air raid noise freaks me out. I didn't even know where we were just a minute ago.
I'm gonna go down and see if I can catch them and see what's going on.
See what's going on,
Yeah.
okay.
No. I could care less. It's not a good Lord made me.
Hi.
Howdy, howdy.
Hello?
Hi.
Come on, man. Can't wait. I'm gonna look back. Let's see who's up here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. You have a dog with you?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna come up.
Okay.
Yep.
Trying to
Thank
figure out what they got going on here. If this is just a,
Well, I asked if we could come back in the building. I thought somebody said yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
I think it's a false alarm, but
Okay. Are we okay to come in?
Yeah,
it's okay?
yeah,
All right.
thank you.
You bet. Tell everybody up here. Okay, sounds like a false alarm. Okay, it sounds like a false alarm, so that's good.
That's what the, fire.
I talked to some people on the second floor and they said, they told them it's all right, so.
Oh, okay, okay.
The firefighters coming up.
I would think they'd come up here too and let us know, themselves. but-
Well, I would hope to shout. They didn't last time, she said.
Oh,
so-
really?
Can you get your feet up there?
Yeah, please. What's your name?
More.
Now this
Thank
calls
you
for
so much for that quick part.
Turkey.
This is turkey.
Well, okay. Well,
I don't know who the brainless one is that puts everybody up on the third floor.
yeah, especially people that, that can't get down,
We're gonna have to have a meeting down in the club room.
Man. Yeah, so. They said it's happened before or something.
Take care.
That's what I thought, yeah.
Is this the second or third one?
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Rebecca.
Ruth.
Hi, Ruth. Nice to meet you.
See you guys.
See you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I locked it.
Okay, well, I think it was a false alarm after all that. Still haven't heard from the fire department themselves, but so it's kind of a lot of excitement all of a sudden there.
Kind of a warning to be a little more prepared, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Certain things I thought of right away, as far as like, oh, I should grab this, that, and another. I think we need to put those things and
Yeah, but
have
we,
them ready.
I guess it's happened before, so we didn't smell any smoke or anything, but we're right by the staircase, so we could have just ran right down, but there's people up here in wheelchairs, so not a good situation for them.
No, not at all.
That's for sure.
They need to figure that out.
Yes. Okay, guys, well, that was our day. Kind of crazy. Started out normal, and all that happened, but everything turned out okay. Nobody was hurt. False alarm, so a little excitement around here. So, till next time, bye.
See ya.